Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bose speaker to smartphone instant method step by step clearly. Begin by turning on your Bose speaker. Make sure it is in Bluetooth mode. If it's not, press the Bluetooth button until the light starts flashing. Next, unlock your smartphone. Open the Settings app. Find and select the Bluetooth option. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Toggle the switch if necessary. Your smartphone will start searching for available devices. Locate your Bose speaker in the list of available devices. Tap on the name of your Bose speaker to pair it. If prompted, confirm the pairing by selecting pair or entering a code if necessary. Wait for a confirmation message that states your device is connected. You should now hear a sound from your Bose speaker confirming the connection. To test the connection, play audio from your smartphone. Adjust the volume on both your smartphone and the speaker as needed. You are now ready to enjoy audio from your Bose speaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.